Here is how to mint Solana NFTs on Magic Eden, step by step. First, install a Solana wallet like Phantom or Backpack, then create or import your wallet. Make sure you've added Solana tokens for gas fee. You can buy Solana on any exchange and transfer it to your wallet address. Now go to magiceden.io and connect your wallet in the top right corner. Navigate to the Launchpad section. You're gonna find it under the Mint section. Hover on it and it's gonna show you Launchpad. Let's click on Launchpad. This is where NFT drops happen. Browse upcoming or active projects, then click into one you want to mint. On the project's mint page, you'll see the price, supply, and countdown timer. When the mint goes live, tap Mint Now. Approve the transaction in your wallet. It'll deduct the mint cost plus a small Solana network fee. Once confirmed, your NFT will be sent directly to your wallet and visible in your Magic Eden profile or Phantom's collectibles tab. And that's how to mint Solana NFTs on Magic Eden. Quick, low fee, and community driven. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.